Hey everyone! Super excited to be sharing with you a new series on this channel on how I'm currently teaching my children French. I started learning French and decided to incorporate it in our homeschool routine, so essentially we're all learning together. Today, I'm going to be showing you some of what I do with my 3-year-old, who is currently my youngest learner. I like to start with this alphabet chart to teach her some vocabulary. This alphabet chart was created by my oldest daughter and it is available as a free download on my website and also in my daughter's Teachers Pay Teacher store. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
L'arbre.
Un arbre, très bien. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Fleur.
Fleur. I'm currently using this chart to teach her the vocabulary, and then once she knows all of the items on the chart, then I'll focus on alphabet and beginning sounds. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Maison.
Maison.
Maison, très bien. C'est une girafe? C'est une girafe?
Non.
Ce n'est pas une girafe? Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Hibou.
Hibou, très bien. I like to test her a bit, and then I like to give her a chance to ask me.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Un orange.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Serpent.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Une poule.
Un papou.
Pas un poule, c'est un canard.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Dent.
Oui. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Jus d'orange.
Non.
Non?
Espagnol.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Jus de pomme.
Jus de pomme, d'accord. Next, we're going to move on to colors. I'm using this color towel set that I got off Amazon. It comes in pairs, so she initially learned to match the colors, and now I'm just going to test her out to see which one she knows. De quelle couleur? Le. Très bien.
Jaune.
Jaune, très bien. De quelle couleur? Est-ce que tu sais de quelle couleur? C'est noir.
Noir.
Noir, très bien. De quelle couleur?
Noir.
Noir, très bien. Next, we're going to move on to letters. I love this letter set because the letters are textured, and so it helps us work on pretty writing. And it also comes with picture cards to go with each letter. Très bien. Donne-moi la main. A. Très bien. A comme
Assiette.
assiette. Très bien. B. D. B. Comme botte. Botte. Très bien. Moving on to numbers, I'm going to be using these sandpaper numbers on wooden boards. I love this set. It's super durable and it's going to teach the pre-writing strokes. Ok, qu'est-ce que c'est? Ah, très bien. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
3.
Non, ce n'est pas 3. Qu'est-ce que c'est? 1, 2.
1 et 2.
Très bien. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
3.
3, très bien. Trace comme ça. 3.
3.
So this year I'm trying to teach French by only using French. So instead of saying what is this, I'm going to say qu'est-ce que c'est. And even with simple instructions or simple commands, I'm going to say it in French. So instead of saying are you ready, I'm going to say est-ce que tu es prête? My goal is to have her acquire the language naturally, just as if she would acquire English. Okay, tu es prête? Okay.
1.
1, 2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Très bien. Now it's story time. My plan is to have an animal of the week where we have a story about that animal and an activity. So this week it's Le Poisson, and this is one of her favorite books. Quelle histoire?
Rouge.
Rouge, mais quelle histoire? Qu'est-ce que c'est?
C'est Petit Poisson Blanc.
Petit Poisson Blanc. Très bien. Petit Poisson Blanc pleure. Il a perdu sa maman. So when I'm reading stories, I really like to act it out and use a lot of emotion and a lot of motions. So for example, when I say Le Petit Poisson Blanc pleure, I'm going to pretend like I'm crying, just so she can further acquire the language. Est-ce la maman de Petit Poisson Blanc?
Non.
Non, c'est une étoile de mer. Et elle est
Rouge étoile.
orange, oui. Est-ce la maman de Petit Poisson Blanc?
Non.
Non, c'est un escargot. Et de quelle couleur? Un escargot jaune. Oui, très bien. Next, moving on to our activity. This activity goes with our book as well as our theme of the week, which is Le Poisson. So this activity, we're just gonna dot art, and so this is gonna help us reinforce the colors that we went over in the book and just go over the colors again. My daughter created this in PowerPoint, so it will also be available on my website and in her TPT store. So in addition to our story of the week and also our activity to go with our theme, I also want to find a song each week to go with that animal. So for this week, since it's Le Poisson, I was able to find Les Petits Poissons on a YouTube channel called Le Monde de Titouni, which I'll link below. This channel has tons of songs in French that my daughter loves. Well, that wraps up today's videos. Thank you so much for watching. If you are currently teaching French at home or need French or English resources, check out my daughter's TPT store. She has a lot of resources to help you do that. And if you want to keep up with how I teach my children French, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.